Let's get straight to it. Adding a checkbox in DocuSign is simple. First, log in and open your document in the envelope builder. From the Fields panel on the left, grab the checkbox field and drag it onto your document where you need it. You can customize it by adjusting the label like I agree to terms, its size, and whether it starts checked or unchecked. To make a checkbox required, select the checkbox field and toggle the required option in its properties. When required is on, signers must check the box before they can complete the document. If they don't, DocuSign will prompt them with the message, "This field is required." This ensures you get those crucial acknowledgments and consents every time. DocuSign offers several layers of validation for checkboxes. Basic validation simply makes sure a required checkbox is checked, preventing submission if it isn't. But you can level up the validation with custom scripting using DocuSign's API for more complex rules like must check at least 2 options. Validation happens server-side, which guarantees data integrity. If a checkbox validation fails, the signer will see an inline error message so they know what to fix. All validation events are recorded in the audit log to help you meet compliance requirements. Keep in mind that incorrect custom scripting can lead to validation errors, so thorough testing is essential.